Turn in the police car. Camera and Kim. You're fine. You can get it. Can we turn it on? You want this one on? No? Here, I'll turn this on. Watch, this is how you turn it on. Thank you for helping me. It's fun. You want to play this one? Turn it on. Oh, drop the card. There goes Cam. Oh, good job, Cam. Oh, good job, Cameron. Wow, you are super. You are super good. You are so good at this game. Do you want this one on too? Let's here. You've got to scan this one. Scan it on there. Put it on there.
Try again.
Good job, Cam. Push the button. Push the button. Good job. Oh, you put him in jail. You put those things in jail. You want to play it again? You gotta catch them all. Oh, you caught them. How did you? You caught 3 that time. Good job, Cam. Oh, we only got 2. Where are we off to next, Cam? What is this? Ooh, that is scary. Look at that. This is Frogger. Frog game. We're back to your favorite game. Jet Rider. Here, turn it on. Turn it on. Good job, Cam.
All right. Are you ready, Jen? Let's
Thank
go.
you.